Apple's latest iPad mini, the 4th generation model to be exact, helps to diversify the company's portfolio, which recently got expanded with the introduction of the iPad Pro. But for those looking to keep it slim, compact, and simple, the iPad mini 4 is always worth the look. However, are there enough improvements and upgrades to warrant a refresh, or an incentive to upgrade? The package contains Apple iPad mini 4, wall charger, lightning cable, Apple decals, user's start guide, split view. Using the slide over feature in landscape opens up the invitation to get into split view, which merely dishes up equal layouts for the two apps in use. So it's essentially split screen operation down the middle. In this mode, the space occupied by the two apps are the same, presenting us with a more ideal representation of multitasking. Still, the limitation here, just like slide over, is the fact that not every app is optimized for this. Picture-in-picture. The last element in iOS 9's enhanced multitasking portfolio is picture-in-picture. As its name so happily implies, we can FaceTime or watch a video in a separate, shrunken-down window, similar to how many Android devices have done for a long time now. Messaging. Due to its smaller footprint, the iPad mini 4 poses a challenge when it comes to typing stuff up with its on-screen keyboards. Honestly, we never reached that area of comfort using either orientations, since it's just too cramped for our liking with the landscape option, and conversely, too wide for our thumbs to encompass the entire layout with the portrait one. Still, with some patience and diligence, we can type up long passages with few mistakes along the way.